Good morning, New York City. It is Sunday, and this is Bruno. He is a very happy dog.
Bruno? Is it time to wake up?
Okay, I am awake. Good boy, Bruno.
The sun is up. The coffee is hot. It is a beautiful day.
Mom! Is it pancake time? I am so hungry. Me too. I want big pancakes with strawberries.
Good morning, sweetie. Did you sleep well?
I slept great! Now, let's cook a royal breakfast!
Okay, team. Let's make breakfast. Henry, can you get the eggs?
I have the eggs. 1, 2, 3 eggs.
Thank you, Henry. You are a great helper. Rose, can you help me stir the flour? Round and round. I am making a flour mountain.
Good morning, everyone. That smells amazing.
I will make the coffee. I need my morning energy.
No, Bruno. You need to wait for your breakfast.
Look! The first pancake is ready to flip.
Whoa! Good job, Mommy!
Okay, kids, time to brush your teeth. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Look at my white beard. I am an old man. You look funny, Henry. Wipe your face.
Henry, don't forget to wash your face. Use the soap.
Daddy, I can't find my other sock.
Check under the bed, Rose. I see something pink.
I found it. It was hiding with my teddy bear. Is everyone ready? Put on your sneakers. Let's go.
Bruno is very excited. He loves the park.
Look at the big buildings. They touch the clouds. Ah, Central Park. My favorite place on Sundays.
Look at the lake. Do you see the boats?
Look! A duck! It is swimming to the boat. Can we go on a boat, Dad? Please.
Maybe next time, champ. Let's play with Bruno first.
Okay, Bruno. Are you ready? Go fetch!
The ball flies through the air. Bruno runs very fast.
He got it! Bruno is a champion! Good boy, Bruno. You are a very fast dog. Time for a snack. We have apples and sandwiches. Yum! This apple is sweet. I love picnics. Dad! Look! The ice cream truck is here! Can we have a treat? Please, please, please?
Okay, everyone. 1 scoop each. What flavors do you want?
I want chocolate. Double chocolate, please. I want the pink strawberry. It looks like a princess. Here you go, little lady. Eat it fast. It's a hot day. Oh no! The sun is very hot. The ice cream is melting. It's moving! Mommy, help!
Uh-oh! It fell! Your dress is pink now.
My dress is dirty. And my hands are sticky. Sticky hands. Sticky dress. What a mess. Don't cry, Rose. Look. I have a magic wipe. Scrub, scrub, scrub. We can wash the dress at home.
Here, you can have half of mine. Don't be sad.
After the park, it is time for a quiet activity.
Okay, kids, listen. Everyone can choose 1 book today. I want a book about space. I want to see the moon. I want a book about animals. Does the lion say, roar?
Find your books and meet me at the checkout.
Hello. That's a beautiful dog. Is he allowed inside?
Thank you. Yes, he is very friendly and quiet.
Here are your new adventures. Have a nice Sunday.
Thank you.
Before dinner, the family needs food. Let's go shopping.
Henry, you are the navigator. Rose, you are the pilot.
Higher! I can see everything from here!
First, we need vegetables. Henry, find 4 big carrots.
1, 2, 3, 4. These are very orange. I found a yellow one. Can we get this too?
We are making pasta tonight. We need tomatoes and onions.
1 for the sauce and 1 for the meatballs. Perfect.
It's cold in here, like the North Pole.
And this is for the hungriest family member, Bruno.
That is a lot of healthy food. Do you have your own bags? Yes. We want to help the planet.
The sun is going down. It is time for dinner.
Dinner is almost ready. Who is hungry for pasta?
Before we eat, we must tidy up. Rose, pick up the blocks. 1 block, 2 blocks. The floor is clean. This pasta is delicious, Dad. You are a great cook.
It's time to read our new books. Henry, you go first.
Mars is the red planet. It is very far away.
Mommy, I'm tired. My eyes are closing.
Me too, sweetie. It was a perfect Sunday.
Good night, New York. See you tomorrow. What is your favorite weekend activity? Tell us below.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time. Bye!